In this series I'm taking my 2002 Porsche 911 and turning it into a 991 GT3 RS lookalike with a body kit from Xclusive Customz. In the last episode we got these original 991 mirrors to fit on the old 996 doors and they look great. But now I can't put it off any longer and it's time to look at bonding on these rear quarters and the sill. The bit about kit building I don't really look forward to. So previously we got these rear quarters lined up. We had to do a lot of work down here to get them to meet the sill nicely, but that now meets absolutely lovely. The sill itself has been installed so that it's close to this bit here, because I'm going to fill this in here. I will blend that in and make it look like one complete step coming out the car. Now I've already adjusted the sill on the other side, but this sill here, you see we've got a lip sticking out that way at this end, and it goes in slightly at this end, so this sill just needs to come this way just a little bit, and that should now line that up and line up at the front. So that is my first job. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this blue masking tape to mark where the body kit's rear quarter meets with the car's rear quarter, just so I know where to grind the paint off underneath for when I bond the panel on. Now we've got that marked up, we can now take the panel off and prep the car ready for the bond. Now that I know where the panel is going to go on the actual car, it's time to sand that down and get rid of the paint to allow me to put the bond on. I've got my mask, I've got my safety goggles as well. Oh, here we go, let's get sanding. This side is now ready for bonding on that rear quarter. I'm going to go prep the other side. I won't bore you with that, but I'll show you that when I've finished. Now the car is all prepped to be bonded. It's time to prep the panels. Right, that's all the prep work done for bonding these panels on. So next stage is to actually bond them on. Let's have a look at the bond and I'll show you what I've got. And this is it. So this is Terrason EP5055. This is a 2-part bond, and talking to a few body shops, they said don't use the Sikaflex, it's not good on this type of bond, and the best part is that 2-pack. Now they use this type of stuff to bond on body panels today rather than using rivets because it's that good and that strong. So I'm going to use this, and what I chose to use it with is one of these. Obviously, you know, it's a gun that takes a 2-part bond. Yeah, fantastic. But look at this, those bits here won't fit inside this. This is tiny, really small, so absolutely wasted my money on that. Now this was only £16. I was going to send it back, but it's a Hong Kong special. They say return to Hong Kong for 16 quid. I ain't going to bother. So that means I've had to order another gun to actually do this with, and yeah, that's 3 to 5 days delivery now. 3 days later. And here it is. So let's hope this is the right gun for the job. Let's open her up. Right, so I'm hoping that this will fit, but it comes with various attachments to work with different sized openings on the actual bond. So let's see if my bond fits in this one. Yes, she fits. It's game on. Next job is to wipe down the car and the panels with some isopropyl alcohol, just to remove any little bits of grease that could be there that could stop the bond from sticking. Right, I've got my clamps sort of hanging around ready. I've got my drill ready with the tech screws to bolt it on, and I've got the panel on the panel stand, give me plenty of access so that I can put the bond on. Now when I do put the panel on, I want to make sure that this top ledge and this bit behind the door here really does get a nice tight seal. I'm not sure if you remember, but I'm using these tech screws. When the panel has been applied, I've got a couple locating tech screws, and then I'm going to go bang a load in all around the edges to really firmly lock that panel in place. Right, enough talking, let's get bonding. Here we go, it's panel fitting time. Fingers crossed. Right, well that's it, there's no turning back now. So that is bonded on and tech screwed on, and I've clamped it on, and I've done everything I can to get this in the right position for it to go off. Fortunately, that's all the clamps I've got, so I can't do the other side until this side has dried, which is going to be another 24 hours for me at least. So because of that, I'm going to finish this video at this point. So if you enjoyed this one, if you did, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because it really does help with my analytics, helps build my channel so I can bring more videos like this for you guys. Till the next time, stay safe.